How to learn coding on mobile. Okay, so this is one of the best platforms that you can start learning coding today as a complete beginner. They give you the course, then they give you a try question, okay, and then they are going to give you some of the options that you can come and select for the question. So when you select it, then all that you have to do is simply come and check what you have selected just like this, and then you have the option to check if what you selected was correct by clicking on check, and then they are going to bring you the answer. Okay, so if you had it correct or not. Okay, and after that you have the option to come and then click on continue, and it will take you to the next question. Okay, and then you learn it just like that. So after you complete all the course, it will show something like this saying that you have completed the course, and they also have a certificate as well that you can also get as well. So let me show you how to get this platform. Simply locate Play Store or your mobile phone and then open it, and then simply come here to where we have the search, come and then tap on it, and then from the search bar simply come and search for the app name, which is called Solo Learn. Okay, so after searching it, come and select the official app by tapping on it. So this is the official app, come and then install it. Okay, after installing it, come and then tap on open to open the app. Now all that you have to do is simply come and then create your account. You can create it using your Google account, or you can simply come and then tap on sign up with email, and then from here you can simply come and put in your email address, put in your name, your password, then you come and then click on create new account. Okay, and that is it. They are going to take you through a quick question to make sure that you select the best course by tapping on ready to try, and then over here these are some of the questions. So this is the first question. You can simply go through the answers, then you select the one that suits you. It will take you to the age whereby you have to come and then select your age. Okay, you can select the correct age, tap on it, and then it will take you to the next question. Okay, and why do you want to learn code to code? Okay, you can simply come in and select why you want to learn to code, and after selecting it, it will take you to the next question. Okay, so this is your field of expertise. Okay, so what do you have expert in? Okay, so you can come and select it, then it will take you to the next. Okay, and what are you here to learn? Okay, so for this course you want to learn coding, so come and select understand the basis of coding, and it will take you right here to where you have to start learning coding. Okay, so these are the basic course that you are going to go through as you want to learn coding. So come and then tap on the course, and then it's going to bring you right here. Okay, so how many minutes will you be able to learn per day? You can come and then select it, and after selecting it, over here you have two choices. We have the free version and then the pro version. The free version is all you need to learn this, so come and tap see free trial, and then simply come and then close the option to subscribe. Okay, so tap on this to close it, and then simply come in here and then come and then tap on open first lesson, and it will bring you right here where you can start taking the coding course. Okay, it is completely free. So after reading it, simply come and then tap on continue, and then over here they are going to tell you exactly what you need to learn. Okay, so this is the first lesson, so this is what you have to learn, this is what you have to code. Okay, so when you look at it, they are then going to ask you a question about what they have told you to code, and then you have to come and then select the correct thing they have told you to code, and the correct thing that they have told you to code is the print. So come and then tap on print, and you see that print will be added to what they ask you to. Okay, so after that, come and then click on check. And when you click on check, it's going to show whether the question you got it right or not. Okay, so this one we got it right. And then you can simply come and see it from here that it is the same as the one that they showed us. You can come and tap on continue. The next lesson will come just like this. Okay, so the next lesson too, when you look at the box, you see that this is exactly what they want us to code. Okay, so this is the question, so it is print that is missing from what they have showed us, so you have to come and then select the option. So simply come and then tap on print. Okay, so you see that when you tap on it, it will be added just like this. Okay, so this is how you go through the courses. You come and tap on check, and as you can see, we have it correct. So this is how you do it. Okay, You go through the courses just like this, and then the progress bar will be completed. Okay, so we have so many courses. Let me show you. So when you come here to the learn and then you tap on it, you see that we have so many courses. When you tap on view all courses, you have so many coding courses that you can go through and learn for completely free. So like the video and then see you in my next video.